How to cancel Nintendo Switch online subscription. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your Nintendo web browser. Here you can simply open your nintendo.com, and in here you can either get to the web version or you can open it on your console too, right? So after successfully opening it here, what you're going to do is, of course, make sure you're logged into account. Simply tap on this account icon right here, then tap on login, add in your credentials, and simply log into your Nintendo account. So after successfully logging into your account, now what you're going to do is simply get into your account information. Simply tap on this account icon right here, and once you're logged in, you'll actually be able to see the option of your account information. Tap on that one, and after tapping on that one here, you will be able to see the option of subscription. So what you're going to do is simply tap on subscription, and then from there you'll need to select Nintendo Switch Online, and then make sure that the automatic renewal is turned off, and that is exactly how you will be able to cancel your Nintendo Switch Online subscription. So yeah, that is it.